Welcome to our new listing. And personally, my favorite part of the Bronx, Hardin Park, also known as Little Puerto Rico. And the reason why this neighborhood has become my favorite is because it is the last frontier where you can buy a waterfront property with spectacular Manhattan views for under $1 million. With renovations to both the Pugsley Park and the Hardin Park and the addition of the ferry, this neighborhood has become one of the most desirable areas of the Bronx to live in. But that's what the community has to offer. Let's see what the house has to offer.